Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data from SQL Server to Power BI using SSIS, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by launching SQL Server Data Tools. Create a new Integration Services project. In the Solution Explorer, right-click on the SSIS Packages folder. Select New SSIS Package from the context menu. Rename the new package to something meaningful, like Data Transfer to Power BI. Open the package by double-clicking on it. Drag and drop a data flow task onto the control flow canvas. Double-click the data flow task to enter the data flow workspace. From the SSIS toolbox, drag an OLEDB source onto the data flow canvas. Double-click the OLEDB source to configure it. Create a new connection manager by clicking New. Input your SQL Server connection details and select the appropriate database. Once connected, select the table or view you want to import data from. Click OK to save the OLEDB source settings. Next, drag an Excel destination from the SSIS toolbox onto the data flow canvas. Connect the OLEDB source to the Excel destination by dragging the green arrow. Double-click the Excel destination to configure it. Create a new Excel connection manager by clicking New. Specify the path where you want to save the Excel file for Power BI. Select the appropriate Excel version and set up the destination table. Click OK to save your Excel destination settings. Return to the Control Flow tab. Right-click the Data Flow task and select Execute Task to run the package. After execution, verify the Excel file is created with the expected data. Now, open Power BI Desktop. Go to the Home tab and select Get Data. Choose Excel from the Data Source options. Browse to the path where you saved your Excel file. Load the data to Power BI by clicking Load. Once the data is loaded, you can start creating visualizations. You have now successfully transferred data from SQL Server to Power BI using SSIS. This process can be automated for regular updates in your Power BI reports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.